People ask me all the time, Guruji Unbounced, our relationships are too secure. We have too much trust in them. Give us some tips to spice it up a little bit. So today I am going to give you some spices, 3 spices to make your relationship a little more exciting. Spice number 1. Always find some good excuses. When you don't keep your word as you said you would, avoid the total responsibility. Because some of it is the circumstances, the traffic, your partner, you were tired, your brain didn't work. So what was your fault? Maybe 1 or 2%? Just sweep it all under the carpet.
Well, it wasn't just my fault. If he wasn't so immature, I would have never done it, so...
And under the carpet, it will nicely grow like a bacteria, and it will be eroding your relationship from the inside. Spice number 2. If you don't keep your word, let's say you are 10 minutes late, do not try to understand the impact it had on your partner, because that will only make you feel more vulnerable. Just say,
oh, come on, it wasn't a big deal. I was only like 10 minutes late. That couldn't have hurt me. Unless you were being too emotional again.
And spice number 3. Do not, under any circumstances, say any promises for the future. You don't mean it anyway, so you will probably forget it. Let's say you are 10 minutes late. Do not say that you're gonna text your partner next time to let them know that you are late. They might feel too important. Show them that you have different priorities in your life and let them wait. Maybe over time they will go a little crazy because they can never relax around you, but it's okay. Keep blaming them and sweep all your faults under the carpet.
Oh, come on, get in there. Get in there.
And repeat the spice number 1 and the spice number 2. Everything in life is impermanent. And so is your trust in your relationship. So sweep more bacteria under the carpet. So it will eat your trust in your relationship. To spice it up a little. So you can go through the cycle of this integration of relationship again and again and again. You can either have your heart desires in your relationship, or you can have your excuses. Go for the excuses. How far will you go to kill your relationship?